Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the dark mode on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on all the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open settings. So tap on the settings icon on your home screen or the app drawer, and then scroll down and select display and brightness. Select that, and then now you should see two options. There's the light mode and the dark mode. Now, since you're switching it to dark mode, all you have to do is simply tap on dark mode and your device will turn to dark mode immediately. Additionally, you can schedule the dark mode on your device. So to do this, all you have to do is simply tap on dark mode options, and then you should see this option switch to dark mode. So enable that option, and then I should see two options appear. So you can either choose to schedule it from sunset to sunrise, or you can choose a custom schedule. So if you want to choose a custom schedule, all you have to do is simply select custom and then choose the start time on when the dark mode will start. So let's say, for instance, 7 a.m. and then choose the end time on which dark mode will turn off. So I'll say maybe to 3 p.m. and then that you enable it. Now, additionally, you can also customize dark mode for individual apps. So you'll see a list of applications that you can customize dark mode for. So let's say, for instance, if you want this application to be in dark mode always, so you can simply tap on the toggle switch, and then now you should see this warning: this app might not display properly in dark mode. Turn on dark mode anyway. Simply select turn on, and you can repeat the same process with all the other applications. So that's basically it on how to turn on, or rather how to enable dark mode on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.